The filters are located under the glove box. Using a T20 Torx driver, remove the two screws that secure the bottom of the panel to the glove box. Remove the screw that secures the carpet panel to the middle console. Pull back on the carpet panel and pull down the bottom panel to access the filter housing. Disconnect the light connector from the panel and remove it.
Subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video.
Remove the four screws that secure the housing cover to the housing. Remove the housing cover. Remove the two old filters from the housing. Install your new filters into the housing with their airflow indicator arrows pointing toward each other. Resecure the housing cover with its four screws. Connect the light connector back onto the panel and set the panel back into the vehicle. Resecure the carpet panel to the vehicle. Resecure the bottom panel to the glove box by reinstalling the two screws.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.